students, let us go into the solving questions. If at 90 degrees in pure water, concentration of H3O plus is 10 power minus 6. Find Kw. So he is asking find Kw, and he has mentioned H plus concentration is 10 power minus 6. Don't options are 10 power minus 14, B 10 power minus 13, C 10 power minus 12, D 10 power minus 10. This is the question that has come in the IIT JEE exam. Okay, it's very one of the old question, but it has come in the exam. So don't go for answering 10 power minus 14 because this is at 25 degrees centigrade. See, in question he is mentioning 90 degrees. Okay, so Kw will be equal to H3O plus concentration and OH minus concentration, and you know that pure water means it is neutral condition. Number of H plus will be equal to number of OH minus. So what happens if this is 10 power minus 6, automatically the other one also will be equal to 10 power minus 6. Kw will be equal to 10 power minus 12. So the answer will be C, this one, 10 power minus 12. Right? Another question. Find the pH of 10 power minus 2 molar HCl. See, first of all, whenever if you see question, find out whether it is a strong acid or weak acid. Okay, strong acid. So HCl is a strong acid. HCl, it gets dissociated into H plus Cl minus. What he is telling, the concentration of HCl at the starting point is 10 power minus 2. So H plus will be 0 and Cl minus will be 0. As it is a strong acid, it completely gets dissociated into the products. So this is 0 at final time. So that H plus will be equal to 10 power minus 2. Here 1 mole, 1 mole. Here 1 mole means here also 1 mole. So this also becomes 10 power minus 2. Okay, if I want pH, pH is nothing but negative logarithm of H plus concentration. I know H plus is 10 power minus 2, so it is 10 power minus 2. So minus 2 if comes here in front, so minus of minus 2 will be into log 10, log 10 is 1, so it becomes plus 2. So among these options, answer is A, because I have got the answer as 2. So let us go for the one more question. Find the pH of 2 into 10 power minus 3 molar HNO3 solution. Okay students, options are 4.58, 2.70, 3.74 and 5.69. HNO3, it is a strong acid, it gets dissociated into H plus and NO3 minus. Initial concentration is 2 into 10 power minus 3 molar concentration. So initially H plus will be 0, NO3 minus will be 0. HNO3 at final time it gets converted, entire reactants gets converted into products, so it becomes 0. H plus becomes 2 into 10 power minus 3. This one also becomes 2 into 10 power minus 3 because this is 1 mole, this is also 1 mole, 1 mole. Now find out the pH is equal to negative logarithm of 2 into 10 power minus 3 because you have got H plus here. So minus log, this is log AB. Okay, minus you keep outside, log AB, right? Log A plus log B if you are having multiplication symbol. So log 2 plus log 10 power minus 3. So log 2 means 0.30. This is log A power n. So A power n is minus 3, right? So minus 3 log 10 becomes, so it is minus 3. Log 10 is 1, so it becomes minus 3. Minus 3 into 1, so it is minus 3. Minus if it comes inside, it becomes plus 3. This one becomes minus 0.30. So it is answer is 2.70. So answer will be B. Why I am writing in this pattern means for more, you will be getting doubts. Sir, you are taking H plus whatever here it is present, you are taking here, right? Okay, that is correct only. For monobasic means whenever you are having only single H plus, you are having single H plus, then you can take directly this concentration, negative logarithm of H plus. Okay, that too for strong acid, not for weak acids. So now you see here, find the pH of 10 power minus 4 molar H2SO4. See, this is not monobasic acid. Students, you are clear? This is not monobasic acid. So if you apply directly negative logarithm of minus 10 power minus 4, what it becomes? You will be getting answer 4. You will be marking this one. That is wrong. Why means H2SO4, it gets dissociated as 2H plus plus SO4 minus 2. If initially it is 10 power minus 4, this is 0, 0. If it becomes 0, this one what happens? It becomes, if it is, this is 1 mole, this becomes 2 moles. So it is 2 into 10 power minus 4, right? 10 power minus 4 getting converted into 2 into 10 power minus 4. This one is 1 mole only. This is 1 mole, this is 1 mole. So this 1 mole means 10 power minus 4. So you are getting 2 moles. Okay, be clear, because it is not a monobasic acid, it is dibasic acid, number of hydrogens into the concentration. So for this you will find the H plus concentration or pH. pH is equal to negative logarithm of, here H plus concentration is 2 into 10 power minus 4. So log AB. So it becomes log 2 plus log 10 power minus 4. Log 10 power minus 4 means minus 4, log 2 means 0.3010. So what happens? Minus if it comes inside, it becomes plus 4 minus 0.30. So answer will become 3.7, not 4. This is 3.7. As this is a dibasic acid. Suppose if it is 10 power minus 4 HCl, you can directly mark because HCl is a monobasic acid because you will be having only one H plus. Right, let us go for tribasic acid. Find the pH of 10 power minus 2 molar H3PO4 solution. Okay, H3PO4 you are taking. Be clear, pause the video and you solve the answers. Option A is 3.60, 4.60, C is 2.53 and D is 1.53. What is the answer? See H3PO4. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I am explaining the answer. H3PO4, it has been converted to 3H plus PO4 minus 3. So initial concentration is 10 power minus 2, 0 concentration. If H3PO4 is 0, it becomes 3 into 10 power minus 2 because 10 power minus 2 this one and 3 times you will be getting 3 into 10 power minus 2. PO4 minus 3 is 10 power minus 2 because you are having only one more. Okay, so you will be finding pH for this one. Minus log 3 into 10 power minus 2 minus, this is log AB. So log A plus log B, you will be getting minus 2. This is log 3 is 0.47. So minus, if you get inside, it becomes 2 minus 0.47. It becomes 1.53. So the answer is D. Right, students? Let us take one of the most important problem or one of the important model. See, now find the pH of 10 power minus 8 molar HCl. This is the condition. A is equal to 8, B is equal to 7, C is equal to 6.96 and D is equal to 6.04. Suppose if you apply pH, what? pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ions concentration. Negative log, what is the condition? It is 10 power minus 8, so it is 10 power minus 8, so that minus of minus 8 into log 10, so that it becomes plus 8. This is wrong. You should not do. This is monobasic acid only. Directly you can take concentration, but this is wrong. Why? We know that initially at 25 degrees centigrade pH should be less than 7, but you are getting what? You are getting 8. So this is wrong, absolutely wrong. So what you should do? See, this is HCl solution, means it is mixed with water. In water, what is the water's H plus? Water's H plus is 10 power minus 7. So from water you will be getting 10 power minus 7 moles per liter. From HCl you are getting 10 power minus 8 moles per liter. Okay, here you will take this into the consideration. Okay, 10 power minus 7 of water will be taking into the consideration. So you will be getting, sir, we have done previous problems. There we have not taken water's concentration. We will be telling at the last of this problem. Okay, here we are taking the water concentration. See, 10 power minus 7 means 1 by 10 power 7, that is, okay. See, I am explaining here 1 by 10 power 7, 1 by 10 power 8. How much difference is there? 1 by 10 is there. Only 1 by 10th difference, means 0.1 difference here. Here 1 by 10 is very valued here. But if you take 1 by, suppose if you take 10 power 2, 10 power 6. So how many times it is? 1000 times. Something like 3, 4, 10,000 times the difference is there. For these two it is 10,000 times difference. This is only 10 times difference. So here you can take into the consideration. Here in this case we cannot take into the consideration. Okay. Anyhow, if you take into the consideration, only this one will be getting the major content because the difference is very high. Here the difference is not very high. It is very nearly. So we can't neglect here. Getting, students? Okay, let us solve first this problem. So you are getting H plus concentration from water, H plus concentration from HCl. H plus concentration from water is always 10 power minus 7. H plus you will be having. So negative log of H plus ions concentration, negative log of H plus of water plus H plus from HCl. Okay. H plus from water it is how much? 10 power 7. H plus from HCl it is 10 power 8. Okay. Minus log. If you take 10 power minus 8 common, you will be getting 1 plus 10. So it is 11 into 10 power 8 you will be getting minus log of 11 into 10 power 8. If you apply log, what happens? Log AB, log 11 plus log 10 power minus 8. Already I have given the value of log 11. It is 1.04 minus 8. If you send minus, it becomes 8 minus 1.04. It becomes 6.96. Here H2O concentration should be taken into the consideration. When the H2O concentration is taken into the consideration, when the values are 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 2 and 10 power minus 8. Okay. When these values are there, okay, then you can take into the consideration. Because if you take 10 power minus 5 and 10 power minus 7, see, 10 power minus 5 can be written as 10 power 5, 1 by 10 power 5, 10 power minus 7 as 1 by 10 power 7. So the difference here it is 100 times there is difference. Suppose if you go for 10 power minus 6 and 10 power minus 7. So the difference here it is 10 times only. This is very small difference. Here it is 100 times. Okay, suppose if I take 10 power minus 2 and 10 power minus 7, it becomes 1 by 10 square, it is 10 power 7. 10 power 7. Okay, if this is the solutions, HCl concentration is 10 power minus 2 and water will be having 10 power minus 7. This should be taken in the water itself. But the difference is 1 lakh times it is difference. So this can be neglected here. This can be neglected, means water's concentration can be neglected here. This is HCl's. 10 power minus 5 it is HCl's. 10 power minus 2 here HCl's. Here you can neglect the water. Here also you can neglect the water. But in this case, you can't neglect because it is very, very close to this. It is only 10 times differing. So whenever the difference between the concentration of the reactant as well as the concentration of the water is very close, you will take that into the consideration. If the concentration of the reactant as well as the concentration of the water are very close or very large, you will not take into the consideration. So this is the example, right? So based on this, so once again you check over here, whenever you get the concentration, you should take water also into the consideration. In the above problems also water should be taken into consideration. But what happens? The difference is very, very large. So we will not take automatically, we will be getting the value very closer to the stronger one itself. Here there is no one stronger, both are equal, right? Approximately they are very equal. So the answer will be 6.96. So students, you solve the same problems like this. Find the pH of 10 power minus 7 molar HCl solution. See, 10 power minus 7. This is not very large difference. It is the same. Okay, with water. So H2O from water it is 10 power minus 7. HCl's H plus is 10 power minus 7. Okay. So pick out the answer. Pause the video and you solve that. I am going to solve the answer 1, 2, 3. So pH is equal to minus negative logarithm of H plus ions concentration, negative logarithm of H plus from water plus H plus from HCl. So negative log of H plus from water, how much? 10 power minus 7. HCl is also 10 power minus 7. If you take 10 power minus 7, it becomes 1 plus 1. So it becomes 2 into 10 power minus 7. If I have, this is log A plus B. Okay, minus it is common. So log A plus log B. So it becomes minus 7 plus log 2 value is 0.30. If you bring minus inside, what happens? 7 minus 0.30, the answer will be 6.70. So option will be C. See students, the value is 10 power minus 7. So it is taken into the consideration. So pause the video and you solve this question now. Find the pH of 10 power minus 6 molar HNO3. Okay. From H2O, this is 10 power minus 7. From HNO3, it is 10 power minus 6. So take into the consideration, solve the problem so that negative log will be water from this one as well as HNO3 10 power minus 7 plus 10 power minus 6. You will be getting 10 power minus 7 plus log 11. Log 11 value is 1.04 and finally the answer will be 5.96. Right students? Now whenever the concentration is represented in terms of molarity, okay, we know that normality is equal to molarity into X. X is nothing but it is n factor. Whenever if you come with respect to stoichiometry or with respect to solutions, I will explain clearly what is X. It is a very lengthy factor. There are many factors, that is number of electrons, number of H plus, number of OH minus, as the valency, you are having many. Okay, for now you remember it as, for acids it is number of ionizable H plus ions, for bases it is ionizable OH minus ions. So normality will be equal to molarity into n factor, this is X. Okay, now let me take with respect to this one, find the pH, all strong acids only we are doing. Find the pH of 0.1 normal HCl, normality is equal to molarity into X. This X is number of ionizable H plus, how many are there? 1, so it is 1. Normality has been mentioned as 1, so it is M is equal to 0.1. Now pH will be equal to negative logarithm of H plus ions concentration. H plus is how much now? 0.1. Negative logarithm of 10 power minus 1, it will be equal to, finally you will be getting answer as 1. In the same way, try for this, pH of 0.1 normal H2SO4. Normality is equal to molarity into X. X is here how much? 2. So molarity will be equal to what? 0.1 by 2. You can't apply directly for this because this is not monobasic. So H2SO4, it is getting converted into 2H plus plus SO4 minus 2. Concentration of H2SO4 is 0.1 by 2. It is 0, 0. If it is 0, it becomes 2 times. 2 into 0.1 by 2. Now 0.1 by 2. For this you should find out. Okay. pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus concentration. H plus concentration is 2 into 0.1 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. So this log minus log 10 0.1, that is 10 power minus 1. It will be equal to plus 1. Okay. Okay students, we shall learn the pH with respect to weak acids. We have learned with respect to strong, right? Now with respect to weak. So Find the pH of weak acid of HA. Acid he has not mentioned, it is HA of concentration 8 molar, where the Ka is 2 into 10 power minus 8. He is asking what pH. pH means, suppose if you take this equation HA, it is in equilibrium with H plus and A minus. See, I am writing equilibrium means it is weak acid. So if I take concentration C, it becomes 0, 0. Concentration C minus C alpha, it is C alpha, C alpha, because we are having 1 mole. So 8 minus 8 alpha will be equal to 8 alpha, 8 alpha. Ka will be equal to product concentration 8 alpha by reactant concentration, this one. And Ka will be equal to 8A square by 1 minus alpha. Alpha is very, very less than 1, so Ka will be equal to 8 alpha square. Okay, students, find out the value of alpha. So that Ka value he has mentioned 2 into 10 power minus 8 and 8. If you send this side, comes into the denominator, and you send square this side, it becomes root. Okay. Root of Ka by 8. That becomes the alpha value. But you want what? H plus, right? H plus, what is that? C into alpha. You know C, it is 8, or H plus is 8 alpha. 8 into alpha. Whatever the value you have got here, you do that, you will be getting that one. So I am solving that. So alpha square is equal to Ka by 8. This one. Alpha is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 8 by 8. Alpha is equal to 10 power minus 8 by 4. This is alpha is equal to half into 10 power minus 4, or it is equal to 0.5 into 10 power minus 4. But H plus is what? 8 alpha. So it is 8 into alpha value is 0.5 into 10 power minus 4. So it becomes 4 into 10 power minus 4. For this is the H plus. For this you should find out the pH. So minus log of H plus concentration, it becomes minus log of 4 into 10 power minus 4. It is log 4 can be written as log 2 square if you send this one. Log AB, right? Log 4 it is 2 square plus log 10 power minus 4. Log 2 square is 2 log 2. 2 log 2 means log 2 value is 0.3010. So it is 2 into 0.30 minus 4 log 10. Log 10 value is 1. So it becomes 2 into 0.30 minus 4. It becomes, if you send minus inside, what becomes? 4 minus 0.60, it becomes answer as 3.40. So students, in the same way, try to solve the one more question with respect to acids. Find the pH of CH3COOH 0.02 normal if it is 2% ionized. He is mentioning alpha value directly. So for acetic acid, so options are 5, 4, between 4 and 5, between 3 and 4. Okay. Acetic acid gets dissociated as CH3COO minus plus H plus. Concentration is 0.002 normal. This is 0 and this is 0. Convert normal into molarity. As you are getting only 1 H plus, normality will be equal to molarity itself. N is equal to M into 1, right? Then N is equal to M itself here. So C minus C alpha is equal to C alpha, C alpha. What is the H plus now? It is C alpha. He has mentioned directly concentration. Concentration is this one. So H plus is equal to C alpha. Concentration is 0.02 into, this is alpha. Alpha means 2%. 2% means 2 by 100. So if you calculate the value, it becomes H plus is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 5. pH will be equal to minus log of 4 into 10 power minus 5. So minus log 4 plus log 10 power minus 5. So it becomes minus log 2 square minus 5. It becomes 2 into 0.30 minus 5. So 5 minus 0.60. The answer will be equal to 4.4. So the answer is between 4 and 5. So students, we will be stopping here. In tomorrow class, we will be going with respect to how to calculate for strong bases as well as the weak bases the pH value. Thank you students. Bye. Have a nice day.